Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Masari said in the face of the rising cases of attacks, citizens need not to wait for security agencies to come to their rescue. Rather, they should face the criminals.
You mean that we should vacate all our villages, all our farms, all our houses, and surrender them to bandits, and wait for a police officer, General Emeka, all the way from Enugu to come to Katsina and rescue me? This is ridiculous. I think part of also what this Katsina initiative needs to do is to go around to all these local government. Let us talk to the people. Defend yourself. Are you telling me if you hear somebody breaking your door, he wants to steal your property, you will go under the bed and wait for until he comes in? And it's better to confront him. Either way, either you die, all of you.
He further said the time has passed for the blame game about the insecurity bedeviling the nation. Hence, security should be everyone's business. The special advisor to the governor on security matters, Ibrahim Katsina, had hinted that the Joint Security Agency's Operations and Communication Center is capable of continuously monitor, prevent, detect, analyze, and provide rapid response to security incidents across Katsina State.
And with these systems, people from all over the world have been networked. They can access the center and know the correct situation of Katsina. It is the first innovation of introduced where we can tell our story by ourselves.
The Commissioner of Police, Senusi Buba, described the center located at the headquarters of the police as a step in the right direction, which will make the working synergy between all security agencies more cordial to deal with the banditry being faced in the state.
But a formal arrangement like this, in a sustained manner, this is unprecedented and is highly appreciated.
All heads of law enforcement agencies in the state were given packs of customized handsets to work with the center when activated.